Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to get 60% off on all Envato market plugins, themes and other scripts and codes. Okay, so for those of you who want to get things at a cheaper rate, now this is the time for you to get it. Okay, now it is Black Friday and everything has been reduced 60%. Okay, up to 60% off of all Envato market products. Okay, so it is very simple to get it. Now as you can see over here, if you go to the we click over here for themes. This is what themes and web templates. If you click over here, you're going to see that it's going to take us to a page where we're going to get everything for free. And as it says unlimited downloads. Okay, so as you can see, Avada, which is one of the biggest popular themes in WordPress. Okay, it was selling for 69 USD. Now it is selling for 45 USD. Now as you can see, Avada have 846,000 plus sales. Okay, which makes it one of the popular theme around the world. Now you can also have this one over here, B theme. Okay, which was selling for 59, is now selling for 39 USD. Okay, now you can searching and searching. You realize that you can even get a theme as low as 9 USD. Okay, which is amazing. Okay, so for those of you, this is an HTML5 template. Okay, meaning that it is for those of you who are creating HTML themes and other stuff. You can use this theme over here. Now this is amazing theme over here. You can see Woodmat over here have 29. It's now selling 29. It was 59, but they are now selling it 29, which is an amazing thing. Now not just themes alone, but you can go ahead and even check for plugins, script and other stuff. So if I click over here, I'm going to get all these plugins at a lower price. Okay, so a booking appointment plugin over here for WordPress is now selling for 44, which was selling for 89. Now it has been reduced to 44. Okay, so you see this one have 46,000 sales, which have 1.1k almost 5-star review, which makes it one of the most popular plugins around Envato market. Okay, or Code Kenyan. Now you can go ahead and then see everything. You can get plugin as low as $11 which is a peanut, just a coffee. $10, which is also peanuts. Okay, you can find all amazing plugins over there. There are so many amazing plugins that you can find over here, script and other stuff. Okay, so all the amazing scripts, all the amazing plugins, all the things that you want. Okay, you can find it over here, which makes it very good, because imagine you having all this PHP script and other stuff for as low as 60% of the price. Now if you go over here and then we click on the PHP script, we're going to see, you can check all the categories. You're going to see all the PHP scripts that you are looking for. So if you want a learning management system, you can use this one. Okay, now remember that it is not under WordPress, meaning that you have to install it as a script. Now you can go ahead and look through. You can even, I'm sure you can get all those cryptocurrency script that you guys are looking for. Okay, over here. Now as you can see, this is a very nice music website, B Music. Okay, this script is an amazing script for designing a streaming music website, and now it is selling for only 29 USD. Amazing. Okay, now as you can see, that 5-star. Okay, now if you click over there, you can get the full details of it. As you can see, it is an amazing script over here, which you can use it to create any music website that you want, music streaming website like the Spotify and other stuff. Okay, the Boomplay and all those other streaming platforms. You can what? You can get it over here. Now it is amazing, okay guys, it is very, very amazing that this Black Friday, all these plugins and all this script and all these amazing templates are all going for what? As low as you can get some as what? 9 USD, as low as 11 USD, 29 USD, which are all what? Peanuts. You can what? You can use to start your own kind of what? Business from the scratch. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to talk too much. If you want to get it at this 60% off, now you have to what? Come over here, click on the new tab over here, and then just type in what? kaetechdigital.com/kaetechdigital.com/, now just say Black hyphen Friday. Okay, now this will send you to what? This will send you to the themes side. Okay, you're gonna get all the themes and other stuff at a what? At a lower what? At a lower price. Okay, now if you want to what? Go to that particular landing page, just type in what? kaetechdigital.com/BK60. Let me check it again. Okay, so BF60. Okay, so just search for what? kaetechdigital.com/BF60, just like this one. Okay, and then just type in over here, and then you're gonna get what? You're gonna get this. You're gonna land over here, which is the landing page. Now if you want the theme, you click over here, you can get it. If you want the the script and other stuff, you can click over here, you can also get it. Now of course, if you want video template, royalty, audio, graphics and other stuff, you can also what? Get it what? Here. Okay, but this one says what? Up to 60% what? Off, and that is what we need. Just click on it, and then it's going to what? Open what? The 60% off page for you to be able to what? Get it. Okay, so I hope you guys will take advantage of this one, and then get these amazing prizes for yourself. Okay, now this is a one-time offer. You get it, and then you're gonna what? Enjoy it what? Forever. Okay, and one thing about what? Envato and Code Kenyan is that everything you get over here, you can use it on your website forever and ever. Okay, and that is it. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.